Hey everyone, welcome back to Put Your Makeup On, where we find our beauty within. Welcome to my channel. Hello, my name is Katie. Before we hop into today's video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, give me a thumbs up. I want you coming back. If you're watching, come on back to my channel. I post on this channel every Wednesday. I am really excited for this video. Leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite everyday eyeshadow palette? Everyday, you might ask. Hint, hint. We are going to be talking about Sephora collection for today. And this palette right here is the I Love Medium Cool palette. That is right. I Love palettes are really nice and affordable. I love the I Love palettes. I'm really cheesy on this channel. Get used to it. So this is the Sephora collection I Love palette. And this is, again, the Medium Cool palette, which looks like this right here. Beautiful palette, really great for every day, going out, a wide variety of different skin tones. I personally feel that a lot of people can rock. Whatever lip color you want to pair it with, whatever outfit you want to pair it with. I love the I Love palette. Such a good palette. How much is it, you might ask? Well, are you sitting down? Let me tell you. Only $14, you guys. $14 for a beautiful palette that I think anyone and everyone, any age, any skin tone can rock. So, are you ready? We're going to be doing 2 looks today in today's video. Look number 1, starting right now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
First, starting off with my Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my finger, applying it everywhere on my lid to make sure everything is more longer wearing. And then I'm going in with the base shade of the palette to set the primer to make sure everything blends a lot easier. Taking the lightest brown color in the palette and applying that in my crease, and we are just following the crease area and not applying too much because it is more of a daytime look. For my lid, I'm taking the shimmery champagne color in the palette, taunting my eye ever so slightly and packing it on my lid. Lastly, I'm taking the base color again, doing a little bit on the brow bone and making sure everything is properly blended. And then last but not least, I'm taking a little bit of a dark brown shadow and applying that underneath. And that is the finished look with eyeliner and mascara. Starting off look number 2, we're doing something a little darker. I already have, of course, my eyes prepped and ready. I'm going in with the second darkest shade in the palette, applying that in my crease. Darkest shade right now on the lid. We're going nice and dark here, so don't be afraid using the darkest shade in the palette. It's a very easy eyeshadow to work with, so just take your time. Flat shader brush is going to work best for this. Taking the gold color from this palette, you can of course use the bronzy shade as well for the inner corner. And then I'm taking a little bit of that dark brown color on the lower lash line. And that is the finished look with eyeliner and mascara. And I added also a little bit of a black eyeliner in the waterline. And that is the completed look for look number 2. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, what look do you like better? Look number 1 or look number 2? I tried to give some variety to the 2 looks, so any feedback I would love to know. If you decide to recreate this look or have a look of your own that you create with this palette, I would also love to see, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at PutYourMakeUpOn and follow me as well. goo.gl. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you get the chance to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next week's video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!